So Disney updates the content warning again on old movies. So Disney has played when he played the Port TV service, there was a lots of warning about stereotypes on certain movies. Another programming includes negative depictions or mistreatment of people or cultures. The warning says these stereotypes are wrong now and are wrong now. The message now is whether to remove the content we want to acknowledge its harmful impact. One promote and inspire conversation include in more inclusive feature. Future together. Other films that carry this warning Aristocats and Peter Pan as well. Oh, and Radio Champ as well, and several other movies such as Dumbo and stuff. So yep, and then Disney said, okay, you know what? This wasn't good enough for Twitter. This wasn't good enough for Twitter. We have to update it again. Okay, Radio Champ, and then Aristocrats here as well, with the cats and old dogs had yeah, this is such a problem. The dogs heavily had an accent from where they from. This is such a big problem for Twitter. And of course there is the cat and the Aristocats, Dumbo, the Crows. Again, that was made in 1941. Jungle Book, Peter Pan, and Saga herself was never released on DVD or in the US. In the US as well. And Warner Bros. Discovery had a long warning about that stuff as well. But while these cartoons do not represent today's society, they are being represented as they were created. Otherwise, they're claiming that these places has never existed by Warner Bros. The Warner Bros. Warning says. So that means Disney, puts trigger warning. So, if Twitter so happens to stumble upon these movies, Disney will say, okay, this stuff is not representative today, so you don't have to cancel us anymore. That's the whole point. That's what they're trying to do here. They're trying to make sure Twitter does not cancel them at all. And as they ban this movie stuff, people will complain, why are you moving this stuff? This release the film how it was intended, so Disney has to do the middle thing and do basically not remove the stuff, but put stuff in so Twitter does not cry and whine over stuff in the movies. So that's basically it. Goodbye.